Welcome to Sheriff and Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, entertainment, and fun, fun, fun. We have some breaking news that we love to share with you. And in this particular instance, we have learned a new word, and that word is infodemic. And this was used in relation to the WHO's Director General, stating that the misinformation and the fact that this has been spreading like wildfire has caused a serious infodemic. It is the first outbreak recorded, and social media is being blamed for its rapid spread. So, we would like to ask, on behalf of all living here, there, and everywhere, that we stop this rapid and out of control growth of infodemic. Now, as we move into other news, here in Jamaica, we have had our own situation which is stirring concern within the tourism industry. And to mitigate against what could be an unpleasant situation, the Minister of Tourism, Ed Bartlett, along with Dr. Christopher Tufton, our Health and Wellness Minister in Jamaica, departed the island to have deep level conversations with the hierarchy of Carnival Cruise Lines, Carnival Corp, in their Miami office. Yes, and we were there. We did our carnival training right there. So, woohoo! As well as to go on over to North Andrews Avenue to MSC's head office to also have high level talks with them. And these are very important because it's in the wake of the situations where the MSC Meraviglia was denied docking in Jamaica in the first week of March. And of course, Carnival took the decision that the Sunrise would not dock because there was a potential of the passengers and crew not being able to disembark in Ocho. So for the first week of cruising into the Jamaican waters, we were not able to benefit from the tourism dollars from the Carnival Horizon, Carnival Vista, I believe, and also from the Sunrise or the Sensation. We'll double check which one was scheduled to arrive. And on Friday, the slated visit for the MSC Divina. And yes, we did the Divina. Oh my God, I love the Divina. We did the Divina in 2017 and it was marvelous. She was also rerouted to Grand Cayman amidst concerns from MSC that she would also face some sort of delay or interruption or even the possibility of not being able to dock. And so the talks are in high gear, and we hope that within days, as a matter of fact, it has to be within hours, a decision will be made that is amicable to all parties, because Jamaica is indeed a strong tourism related nation, and many of our people depend on it, particularly right now within wave season. And speaking of wave season, at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we are moving full steam ahead with our Heroes Day group sale. And yep, as you thought about it, and you are correct, it will be with MSC on the MSC Seaside. And yes, I love the Seaside. Oh my goodness, I can't sail the Seaside enough. And this one will be departing on the 17th of October 2020. And the private island, the Marine Reserve, will be a big part of this particular itinerary, we'll be doing the Eastern Caribbean. So along with that, we will do St. Martin, and we will also do Puerto Rico. The group space has been blocked. The bookings have been coming in steadily. We do have reduced deposits available. We are also pairing that with 2 nights shopping spree right there in the middle of Brickell in Miami. And we will be taking all aspects of your trip into one workable group package. So you're here from Jamaica, 2 nights hotel in Miami, transfers as well as from the airport and the pier. We will take you into Fort Lauderdale post cruise for another time to shop, unwind, relax, and then home to Jamaica. Do not forget, we will include your Club Mobe as well as yachting on the Biscayne Bay, passing through Millionaires Row and Jungle Queen in Fort Lauderdale will give us an amazing night sail as well as all you can eat buffet. You need to be contacting us right now at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. The deals are on, the prices are low, the payment plan is now in effect. So guys, we're ready for you.